Hey guys, how to replace a new battery to this Makita. I received my battery, Electrocala 18650, rated 3400 pixels. I tested this using this battery charger. This is best for me because it can handle 3 amp charging every slot, so in total of 12 amps. And you can also monitor the discharge current and charging current, and you can also check the resistance of your battery. Before you packing the battery, you must isolate this area. I'm using this latest model 2021. I already produced a video review to this about this spot welding controller. It's better. I also increased the traces of thickness. Yes, you know, if you rely the thickness to the traces to the PCB board in this area, it is thinner, and I am assured that this traces cannot manage large current, so it's better to add more solder. And look at this. If you buy this spot welding, check this area, add also a solder to connect this source. This is the source, so that the large current flow smoothly. And also this area, add solder to make the current run smoothly and to avoid MOSFET blown up. Let's start, guys. It's only gear 1, guys, for 0.15. First time, you better take a photo so that you won't forget the arrangement of the battery. So let's try if it hold properly. Yeah, it hold properly enough. negative and the positive. There is any connection. This is the 21 volts or 18 volts. Yeah, it's 20 volts. 1.5 Ah. Replace 3.4, so double the capacity. Put the screw back. Let's try this battery if this is run.